My name is Izzy, and this is my son Theo, and we live in Salt Lake City, Utah. The Salt Lake Library is absolutely stunning. Theo and I visit often, and the Q5 stroller helps us navigate the stacks of books. The elevator rides are always fun too. Sometimes he wants to take the stairs though, so I'm glad this stroller folds easily and automatically without having to bend down. Salt Lake is home to many great shops, and one of our favorites is Mochi Kids. We'll often take our books to the park and read them together. I like being able to peek down through the mesh opening and keep an eye on my boy. I can carry everything I need for the park in the storage basket under the stroller. The city is great, and nature is also very close by. We're ending our day along the Red Rock trails. Theo usually gets sleepy about now, so I'm glad this stroller can recline to different positions. What a day!